Hey everyone, Brian here from Crypto Millionaires, bringing you another honest, noble look at the latest in XRP and cryptocurrency news. October 2025 is shaping up to be the most eventful month yet for XRP, and you'll want to stick around for all the moving pieces. To kick things off, the biggest headline right now is the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's looming decision on spot XRP ETFs. The SEC is expected to rule on no fewer than 6 applications from major players like Grayscale, Bitwise, and One shares any day now, with the window opening as soon as next week. If these ETFs get approved, analysts are projecting a tidal wave of fresh institutional capital, possibly injecting $5 to $8 billion in XRP markets in just 30 days. That kind of demand could quickly outpace the supply, especially with exchange inventories at their lowest ever. Coinbase's XRP holdings, for example, have dropped nearly 90%. So what does this mean for price? Some technical charts are already flashing breakout signals, hinting at a possible push above the $300 mark. But here's the catch. While ETF approval is bullish, there's real risk here too. XRP's circulating supply is getting more and more locked up, thanks to growing institutional demand and corporate treasury allocations. That could fuel a big rally, or it could make the market incredibly volatile, especially if the ETFs get rejected. Remember, October also brings average 10-year losses of 4.5% for XRP, so traders should keep an eye on both the upside and downside potential. Let's not forget the backdrop. This October, we've also got Ripple's expanding global reach, with CBDC partnerships and rumors that XRP could become part of a new digital asset reserve basket. Plus, after Ripple's massive $125 million settlement with the SEC back in August, XRP's regulatory standing in the US is clearer than ever, with the SEC formally clarifying XRP as a utility token. That's removed a huge cloud from the asset. And get this, the institutional floodgates are opening. Companies like Vivo Power, Weebus, and Logistics are now holding XRP in their treasuries for both settlement and yield generation, with 9-figure allocations being announced. We're seeing this asset truly go mainstream, not just as a payments rail, but as a legitimate store of value and a tool for decentralized finance. Of course, there are still questions. Will all this hype translate to sustained gains? Will liquidity shortages push prices higher? Or does this all set up a classic sell the news moment after any ETF approval? Only time will tell, but for now, XRP is undeniably in focus for investors, for regulators, and for the entire crypto ecosystem. That's all for today's episode of Crypto Millionaires. If you found this video useful, hit that like button and subscribe for daily, unvarnished, real-time crypto news. Share this with a friend who needs to know what's happening with XRP and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. See you tomorrow. And remember, fortune favors the informed.